So you got to be careful. Now look at this, right? Perfect example of a double top. You can see right on those bodies and look right where it stopped right there. You see that? So remember, puts on support because it'll come up like it did and then it pulls way back, right? So this is your payday. Look at it from here to there. That was your payday. See that? That's all profit. Even if it was that quick pullback, it popped up, pulled right back, and look at where it stopped out. See it down here? These as the day goes on, these levels are created. So right here is a channel. This to right here is now a channel because it gave it to us here, 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 here. Does everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
So this is a trading channel.